Yo, buga ng adlaw mga kamanok. This is Pong once again of goodness na pa. Ganda ng hairstyle natin ngayon. Alright, so for today's vlog, this morning we are having this carbonized rice here. So we make, this carbonized rice came from our brooder box. Okay, so we are using rice as litter bed for our chicks from somewhere around day 14 to month old. Then we do recycling from litter bed, from the brooder box. We're converting them into carbonized rice to be used for our litter bed naman sa ating breeders. So ito yung magiging bagsakan ng mga pupo ng ating mga breeders para walang amoy, since naka-elevated na housing tayo. So we're gonna be using this as litter bed naman dun sa ating mga breeders. So we're just maximizing our usage of the rice hull. Right, so after naman natin doon sa ating from the breeders, so mga 2 weeks natin ito magagamit. So as you can see right there, yung mga nakatumpok na yun na yung ating mga replaced carbonized rice hull din yun, but they already have mixed poop na mixed na with the poop of our breeders. So yan naman ay gagamitin natin as organic fertilizer para sa ating mga halaman dito, since we will be planting a few or some vegetables to grow here. So we will be using organic fertilizer. We are using the carbonized rice hull as part of our soil mix, and our main fertilizer will be the poop, which is mixed also directly to the to the soil. So yun na yung bali pinakapataba natin, and yun na yung end of the chain para sa ating recycling ng ating carbonized rice hull or ang ating rice hull. So yeah, that's it lang muna.